Hi everyone, this is Liz from Creative Life of Liz, and I am here planning for my April kit that I'm going to use for April 2024. So for this month, there are 4 weeks that are predominantly in April. We actually get the really nice part where April starts on a Monday, which I love because that makes all the weeks nice and even and pretty. And anyway, so the first week is April 1st through the 7th. I don't have anything super particular planned for the first half of the week, but the second half, I'm going to have some family in town because of the solar eclipse that happens the following Monday. So for this first week, I just wanted to use something that would be fun and colorful and kind of springy. So I pulled out this sticker book from Dear Lizzie by American Crafts. You can see I got it for $5 at Michael's. But this sticker book is just super springy and fun. So has, you know, things like suns. This is gold foiled on this page. This one has a bunch more like fun kind of stuff. I'll probably use a lot of these count the stars, hello, the suns. Try to pull some of those pieces in. For sure, maybe the clock feels appropriate. This kind of like fun camping and other stuff like that. That one's on clear paper but not foiled. We get a bunch of like functional bits, some checklists, headers, more checklists and headers. There's only 6 in each of these colors, but we can kind of like mix and match here. These little like framed things, which I think are really cute. Some square stuff and some little flag arrow things. Some more pieces here. This one is also foiled. So really pretty. The days of the week in fun bright colors. So probably use those for some headers. Some dates. Since this is the first of the month, I could actually use 1 through 7. So I think that could be cool way. And some foiling here as well. I think this, I said that it was gold, but it might actually be rose gold foiling. Some little washi strips. More boxes, and even more boxes, and even more boxes. I think they're all happy planner sized. Some more stuff here. Yeah, definitely leaning towards rose gold for the coloring here. A little more foiling and stuff here. Super cute. More functional bits in very springy colors. And some more of these headers and stuff like that in other colors, so definitely could mix and match. Some little scripts kinds of things. More of these like functional stuff. More stuff with foiling. More headers that don't have like fun sayings to go with the days of the week. We'll see which ones I end up using. Some more date dots, functional stuff. More washi strips, and that's the end. So should be super functional, I think, and also super cute. The next week is April 8th through the 14th. I already mentioned that that's going to be the solar eclipse. So I pulled out this kit called Night Stars. I actually got it from B&R Paper Craft. She sent it to me as a little bonus. So thank you so much. Really appreciate that. So I haven't even opened this kit yet, but I just felt like these stickers on the front were very appropriate, even though I realized the night sky, not strictly what goes with the solar eclipse. I still felt like the vibes really went. I believe this is a deluxe kit. It's on matte vinyl and it feels super nice. So we get these 9 full boxes here, super gorgeous. Bottom washi, a little extra functional, and your date headers, day headers, whatever. Boxes, super pretty there. I love these colors. Boxes that are not glitter. Some functional things. This is a bill due appointment. This one's a currently reading. The days of the week, your date dots, checklist, habit trackers, movie marquee, super cute little functional icons. Those are really cute doodly style. Weekend, 4 more full boxes. I'll probably pick the ones that best go with the eclipse vibes. some washi strips, flags, little things, and these little squares. I actually really like using these. They're fun to put things in. And then you have your glitter headers and even 4 more boxes. So this is like a ton of stuff I can use. I will definitely have enough to use it for another week sometime in the future, but I thought that it would be really perfect for the kind of vibes that go along with the solar eclipse. So the third week is April 15th through the 21st. This was the week I didn't really know what to pick, but I ended up finding this kit. This is a lovely planner blog kit. It's called Plant Lover. And I thought it would be really fun for spring. I definitely like plant kind of themed things in April because I feel like that's kind of start of spring for us here in Western New York. So I thought it was cute and fun, and I like the little punny bits and stuff like that. So that'll be for that week. And then the last of the weeks is April 22nd through 28th. That's the last full week in April, and the last week that I'll be doing kits for. So this week is our anniversary. Our anniversary is on the 28th, and so I decided to pull out this kit that I actually used for my birthday last year, but I thought it would kind of work. So this is the Chasing Chelsea Cottage kit plus a bunch of extras from her advent calendar. I think it was probably like 2019 advent calendar, I want to say. But there's a couple of full boxes here that I still have. Couple more full boxes, some functionals, other functional bits, some boxes, and then over here, some deco, glittery boxes, couple of scenes that are like double boxes. And then I have a little bit of deco, some washi strips, some glitter headers, even more boxes. And then this is one of the sets of weekly silver foiled stuff. So don't have all the dates, but I think we can still make it work. And just not have silver foil, or I'll find some other silver foil. We'll figure something out. But lots of foil stuff here. And then more foiled like icons, one set of headers. And then we have a couple of full box covers with quotes. We have a bunch of silver foiled butterflies. And then we have extras from other shops that contributed to the advent calendar that kind of coordinate with it. So we have Kimmy's Studio, a couple full boxes, some functionals, icons, a set of washi strips, like headers. There's some more boxes and functionals here from Sticker Monster Co. A couple more icons and bows and stuff from Sticker Monster Co. And then a set of washi headers and some little checklists from Sticker Monster Co. And then some boxes and habit trackers from Sticker Monster Co. A little bit of deco from Bean Sprout Paper Co. Some of these little sticky notes from the Fruity Sticker Co. A full box, a weekend banner, some icons, and some boxes from Purple Bunny Prints. A couple more full boxes, functionals, things like that from The Beautiful Mess. And then these kind of icons, cute doodle, things like that from Bodacious Prints. So I think all together, this should be able to make up plenty to make a weekly spread. And I think once everything is kind of intermingled, it's gonna look really cute together. So I'm gonna have these 4, if I can get everything kind of situated. So these 4 for my 4 weeks in April. So I'm very excited to use all of these. As always, please like and subscribe below if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. It helps me out. Let me know what kit you're most excited to see me use, as well as what kit you're most excited to use in your own planner, or what you're most excited for in April in general, if you're not a sticker planner, something like that. And then if you don't have anything you want to leave me some sort of sun emoji down below for the solar eclipse. And then follow me on Instagram at Creative Life of Liz. You can see in progress and finished spreads using all of these kits, as well as bits and pieces of my other planners, my life, what I'm reading, all that good stuff. And until next time, bye.